Have you ever wondered why some price hikes cause a shopping frenzy while others go unnoticed? Let's break down price elasticity. Elasticity is simply a measure of how much the quantity demanded changes when the price of a product shifts. Economists use this number as a baseline to determine if a product is sensitive to price changes or not. Several factors determine this behavior. If a product has many alternatives, consumers are much more likely to switch when prices rise. Think of elastic demand as a rubber band that stretches easily, while inelastic demand is like a rigid steel bar. As you can see, essential goods like fuel see very small drops in demand even when prices go up, unlike luxury items. Understanding this concept helps explain why companies price their goods the way they do in a competitive market. We hope this makes the concept of demand clear. Remember that economic theories are tools for analysis, not financial advice. See you next time.